Guys, what if I told you that following these secret hacks could save you over $100 on a brand new set of tires and also get you out of trouble? Let's listen to this bomb. Did you know in some countries, for example in the UK, if you are caught driving with bald or defective tires, it can result in a fine of up to £2,500 and 3 penalty points on your driving license for each defective tire. And if all 4 tires are below the legal limit, you could face a £10,000 fine, 12 penalty points, and a potential driving ban. Wow. So, all drivers need to ensure their tires meet legal standards. You are watching this video today from any part of the world, remember, driving with defective tires, tires with insufficient tread depth, bulges, cracks, uneven wear, compromised grip, handling, and stopping distance. Especially in wet condition, all these issues can lead to an accident. This is why today I'm revealing the best time to buy tires, plus secret hacks tire shops will not tell you. Let me remind you to check the tire's legal minimum tread depth in your region. Whether you drive daily or just want to save cash, you're about to become a tire buying pro and make sure your tires are always legal and safe. You will be able to save over $100 on tires, know the tire sales calendar, and no pro hacks inside. Now let's go to number 1. Why timing matters. Tires are like airline tickets, and prices can change fast based on demand, season, and even weather. But most people just wait to buy when their tire tread is low. That's a big mistake. Here are the key points. Tire prices fluctuate year-round. Retailers plan sales cycles in advance. Buying at the wrong time can make you overpay by $100 to $200. So guys, if you want to avoid overpaying, then knowing the cheapest time to buy tires is key. Number 2, best times of year to buy tires. Here's the tire buying calendar the pros use. Please mark these dates for your future tire shopping. April and October. Why? This is because spring and fall are prime seasons when tire shops offer seasonal discounts to push all season and winter tires. Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Most tire retailers drop huge deals, up to $100 off or more. You know, at the end of the month or quarter, shops are really eager to hit their quotas. So managers are, well, more likely to negotiate. Holiday weekends, like Labor Day, Memorial Day, and the 4th of July are great times to buy tires. You can expect some nice rebates and bundle deals from tire brands. Number 3, secret tire buying hacks. Time for the real game changer tips. These aren't just seasonal tricks, but work all year. Compare tire prices like a pro. Use tools like Tire Rack, Discount Tire Direct, Walmart Tires. Then call a local shop and ask if they'll match the price. And trust me, many will do that. Number 4, pro tips before you buy. Make sure to check your tire's tread depth first. You can use a penny to test or a tread gauge. Don't rush into buying if you have safe tread left. Call multiple shops. Prices and installation fees vary, so it's better to get at least 3 quotes. Ask about free rotations and repairs. Some shops offer lifetime perks if you buy from them. That's extra value. There you go. Now you know the best time to buy tires and how to save $100 plus like a pro. If this helped you out, give it a like and drop your tire buying questions in the comments below. Your wallet will thank you.